How's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another quick video. So you guys, I jumped ahead. I messed up. So we are having some buffalo chicken dip, you guys. So I already jumped ahead. I got some shredded chicken in here. I also have the Philadelphia 1 block. Is it 1 pound? I believe it's one. Well, we have the 8 ounce. I'm sorry. We have the 8 ounce Philadelphia cream cheese in here. We have shredded chicken breast. And we're going to also add some red hot sauce. Well, you know, buffalo sauce. And we're going to add the ranch season pack. You can also use your sauce, ranch sauce. And we have some Gouda cheese as well as pepper jack cheese. Okay, so I have a can of cheese sauce as well. It all depends on what the outcome is. So how's everybody doing today? Good, because yeah, your girl just finished watching a movie and I messed up with starting off. So we're going to go ahead and melt this on down in here. And stir it on in here, you guys. So I have a little soul seasoning on my chicken. I don't have anything else, you guys. So I said, what a terrific video to bring to the channel for game day, you guys. Then to bring this one. So this is the buffalo. And we're going to add that in here. Approximately, I guess, 1 cup. I mean, that's not even a cup. Not even half a cup probably at most. If that much, it depends on your taste buds. So I'm going with the ranch seasoning. And we're going to put that in here as well. I feel like something else is in here. So we're going to put some of this pepper jack. Going to put some of this Gouda. This is the perfect game dish, party favorite. And it's quick and simple to make. Especially if you have all the ingredients laying around you. Let me clean up some of this mess.
Oh, you need to turn it down. Is it a way to turn it down?
So yeah, you guys, I'm back. So as you see, I use 1 8 ounce Philadelphia cream cheese. Now the purpose of that, let me get this in here, was that I was using some nacho cheese sauce as well. So we use this brand, you guys. For all you who's not, Philadelphia cream cheese lover, you can still enjoy this with just a little cream cheese in it. So we're going to go ahead, put that in here. We're going to put some more sauce, because like I stated, it depends. We started off with approximately a half a cup, and now we should have a cup. And there we go. We are mixing. This is the perfect dip. You guys, you definitely would enjoy this. Oh, let me turn this water off. You definitely would enjoy this. So yes, you guys, so we're going to put us a little Gouda cheese on top. Just a little. For presentation. Because we got so much cheese going on in there. But then it is a cheese dip. And we're going to top it with some parsley flakes. And we're gonna let that go and do its thing right quick, and we'll be back. So yeah, you guys, let's take a look. Ooh, does that not look delicious, you guys? If you're viewing me for the first time, thank you. If you're a rider, thank you again for all your love and your support. You guys, this recipe is quick, simple, and easy. You can also serve this recipe at parties, special events. Game day is one of the best. You guys, share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, don't forget to get your chips for your dip. You guys, don't forget to get your chips for your dip. So, let us be right back. So, yes, you guys, your girl is going to go in for the kill. Look at that cheese pour. Guys, now that is beautiful. Let's see what we come out with. You got just beautiful. I like the tanginess that the lime chip gives and the ranch flavor. And yeah, Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, most definitely leave a comment below so I know where to go. And you guys, I hope you are enjoying my content as much as I enjoy putting it out. So sending much love from my house to yours. Oh, let me give you guys a bite. There you go. Now, wasn't that delicious? Sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.